If you love fast cars, if big loud pipes and burnouts get your blood pumping, if seeing some of the baddest custom cars and trucks in the nation all in one spot pushes your hot buttons, then make sure you come out to the YouTuber Speed Fest Saturday, July 21st at the US 41 Motorplex in Morocco, Indiana. YouTubers and racers meet from all over the nation to bring you the ultimate track day, and you're included with street cars, race cars, burnout contests, rev battle, big wheel racing, and a custom car show-off area along with RC car racing. Book your rooms now for the Holiday Inn Express and Suites, 1773 Fountain Park Drive, Schererville, Indiana. Telephone number 219-865-3301. For more info about the YouTuber Speed Fest, call 773-392-6273. See you there.
What up, what up, what up? It's your boy Stunner Reese, and today your boy is talking about the YouTube call out that just happened this weekend. That's right, it was a great event, but in the midst of doing that, we're gonna also take the Hellcat Yellcat and get her cleaned up, and also tell you guys about the YouTuber Speed Fest that's coming up. So you guys get ready, it's about to go down right here on Muscle Cars and More. Let's go. Wait. Now, I just told you guys that I had to take the Hellcat Yellcat to get cleaned up because it's dirty, but let me just show you all of the bugs that's on the car from being at the racetrack this weekend. Yeah, this thing is filthy and it definitely needs some attention right now. Now, still got the tape from the drag strip. So yeah, it's bad. So now, let's really go. Let's really go. ZL1, all those guys for throwing that event, man. Even though I wasn't able to attend, I just enjoyed watching the footage and what you guys done. Definitely salute to you guys on that event. Definitely, man, SRT Mush, man, for breaking those records with the Demons. Definitely legendary. My boy Chicago Mopar, man, came out there and did his thing with his Demon. Shout out to him. All the other YouTubers, my boy Mod the Fame went out there and did a good job racing his Panamera out there, had fun, and bringing some of the other cars out there, man. So definitely, man, make sure you guys definitely go follow my boy Mod the Fame. Now, he's going to be having an event called Mod the Fame Fest at that exact same drag race track on June the 3rd, and I will be there. That's right. I'm driving all the way from Chicago all the way to Cecil County Dragway just to go rock out with my boy. Definitely, man, Mod the Fame. So make sure you guys go, and if you guys live in that area, make sure you guys meet me there, man. That's right, me, the Hellcat Yellcat will be there for that event. So definitely make sure you guys are there in attendance. I want to rock out with all of you guys from that area, so make sure I see you guys. Now that the YouTuber call out, man, is over with, now we gotta get ready for another event, man. Now what we gotta get ready for on the Muscle Cars and More channel is, that's right, the YouTuber Speed Fest. Now the YouTuber Speed Fest is gonna have some of the same principles of the YouTube call outs, but it's gonna be a couple of more little things added, like a burnout contest. Also gonna have rev battle, and we're gonna have a car show-off area. Now, we're not gonna do actual trophies or anything like that at the YouTuber Speed Fest. It's gonna be an area, if you guys wanna just come and bring your cars and show them off, you can do that absolutely free with just your regular general admission. There's no other additional entry fees or anything like that. Now, it's gonna be a lot of fun. It's gonna be a lot of people. We got cars coming from all over the country to this event, guys. So definitely make sure you guys are in attendance. Anybody in the Midwest should definitely be there because it's going down. Trust me, it's gonna be the most fun you can ever have at a racetrack, man. Hosted by your boy Stunner Reese, man. Definitely, man. And the whole muscle car and more squad. All right, we're gonna be doing it big. We're gonna have a lot of fun. Gonna be food, games out there. We're working on a gaming truck for the event as well. So it's just gonna be a lot of fun. So make sure you guys are in attendance. That's all I can say, man. I know I keep saying that, but I'm gonna keep drilling it to you guys. Be in attendance for the YouTuber Speed Fest. Now it's going down Saturday, July 21st at the US 41 Motorplex in Morocco, Indiana. It's a beautifully prepped track. You're gonna have a lot of fun. Trust me, they take real good care of their people. Trust me, they take real good care of their people, and you're gonna just, you know what I'm saying, want to come back again and again and again. That's how courteous and how much hospitality guys over at US 41 have. So yeah, definitely, man, make sure you show a whole lot of love to your boy Stunner Reese. Come on out, it's gonna be fun. All right, so we almost here at the gas station. I'm gonna get this thing gassed up, also get it cleaned up and washed up. Then I'm gonna be coming back with a couple of more announcements of some different things that I'm gonna be doing that you guys can also be a part of. All right, so stay tuned. Let's get it. All right, guys. So now I got the Hellcat Yellcat looking like a real car again. That's right, and she is much happier. Trust me. I know I hate when my car is super dirty like that because it's just more prone to get scratched up if somebody touches it with all the dirt and stuff on it, but it looks much better now, so I'm a lot happier. But before I get out of here, man, I want to tell you guys about some of the other things that your boy Stunner Reese is going to be doing in the near future. Now, I'm definitely going to continue going to the drag strip on Sundays, well, on most Sundays. Other than if there's a car show or something going on, I won't probably be there. If I do get there, it'll be after the car show or whatever the scheduling around the car shows are in the Chicagoland area. But I'm gonna be doing a lot of networking with a lot of people in Chicago in reference to letting them know about the YouTuber Speed Fest and about Stunner Jam. Don't forget about Stunner Jam now. Yep, so definitely gonna be doing a lot of networking. Now I'm gonna be also going to Route 66 in Joliet. That's right. I'm gonna be doing some of the track days at Route 66 in Joliet to go test out that track. Now, your boy gotta do it, man. Your boy gotta do it. I'm gonna actually get a set of 18-inch rims for the rear of the Hellcat Yellcat. That's right. I'm gonna get a set of 18s for the rear, and I'm gonna try that out. Now I won't be racing wheel motivation on the 18s. I'm gonna keep the stock 20-inch size on there for that race, but I will be getting some 18s. I'm starting to like the drag racing a lot, I'm gonna be honest with you. So I want to see if I can actually get my car and my times down. I want to get my reaction times a lot better, and you know, just do a better job and seeing what I can push myself to. Now, I told you guys I was gonna probably be doing some more mods to it, and I am. I got some more mods coming for it, and I'm not gonna reveal those just now, but I am gonna do the 18-inch wheels. I'm telling you that. That's just gonna be for the drag racing purpose. But yeah, that's gonna be coming, and I'm not sure what else, power adders or whatever, that I'm gonna do, but I am gonna do some things to try to get my times down. So yeah, you guys just stay tuned, look for that, man. Definitely, man, make sure you guys be watching out. I'm gonna be announcing a lot of events, a lot of cities that I'm gonna be coming to visiting. I'll be in Houston, that's right, squad. I'll be in Houston later on this year, so I definitely want to see all my YouTubers, all my squad members from the Houston, Dallas area. I definitely want to see you guys when I come out there as well, so definitely make sure you guys stay tuned for that. That info gonna be dropping real soon. I'm gonna give you guys plenty enough time to know the dates when I'm gonna be there, so you guys can come rock out with your boy. But yeah, guys, that's gonna pretty much wrap it up for the day, man. That's all I could think of at right this time, so that's it, man. Once again, guys, salute to all the 717 guys for putting on a great event. Definitely make sure you guys meet me at Mod the Fame Fest
And definitely make sure you guys meet me at the YouTuber Speed Fest. That's right, man. It's going down. All right, man. It's your boy, Son of Reese, man. Wrapping it up, man. Me, Hellcat, Yellcat. That's it, man. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please try to help your boy, Son of Reese, get to 10,000 subscribers on this channel, Muscle Cars and More. I'm getting close, but I need you guys to hit that subscribe button. I need you to hit that like button, and I need you to share the videos. Please share the videos for your boy. All right, I appreciate each and every one of you squad members, man. I appreciate y'all. All right, let's get it. Let's go. It's your boy, Stunner Reese, and I'm out.
If you love fast cars, if big loud pipes and burnouts get your blood pumping, if seeing some of the baddest custom cars and trucks in the nation all in one spot pushes your hot buttons, then make sure you come out to the YouTuber Speed Fest Saturday, July 21st at the US 41 Motorplex in Morocco, Indiana. YouTubers and racers meet from all over the nation to bring you the ultimate track day, and you're included with street cars, race cars, burnout contests, rev battle, big wheel racing, and a custom car show-off area along with RC car racing. Book your rooms now for the Holiday Inn Express and Suites, 1773 Fountain Park Drive, Schererville, Indiana. Telephone number 219-865-3301. For more info about the YouTuber Speed Fest, call 773-392-6273. See you there.